In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi A8 key fob. So it's a quick and easy process. It'll just take you a few minutes. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of these online, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. First step, flip this over. Look down here on the metal part where the keyring attaches, and inside of there you can see there's an indentation. So just take a flathead screwdriver and go in under the plastic and pry, and this back piece will come right off. Now that we are inside, we will need something a little bit smaller. A smaller sized screwdriver will work best because we need to go in this space to get under the battery and pry it out. If you don't have something like this, you can probably use a paper clip or just a similar tool that fits in here. And if you don't have anything, I will recommend this, which is what I'm using. And this little set is on Amazon as well. It's pretty cheap, and that will be in the description as well. So pry your battery out. Take your new battery. When you have your new battery, CR2032, make sure that the positive side with the plus sign is facing up when you go to put that in. And you'll just snap it into place. There we go. Push it down so that it sits flat in there. And now all we need to do is put the back piece of plastic back on there. So give it a squeeze. You can make sure that the light is turning on, which means you did everything correctly and you are good to go. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.